Hi guys, Rachel here from Etched Marketing Academy, and in today's SEO lesson for entrepreneurs, I'm going to answer one of your favorite questions: how do I get more keywords to rank? So stick with me. By the end of this lesson, you will know how to get more keywords to rank, which means you will have more traffic coming to your website from more sources, giving you that opportunity to build your business and make even more money. So when we talk about getting more keywords to rank, there are a couple things that we can do from an SEO perspective to make it work better for you. The first thing we can look at is building your website's domain authority. If you're not sure what domain authority means, then I want you to watch this particular video on SEO terminology and definitions, which is going to go into a little bit more about domain authority and how the authority of your website impacts your ability to rank. This is a really critical part of SEO, and it is the slightly technical side, though it's not techie to understand it. The bottom line, the easiest thing with domain authority is it's a scale of 1 to 100. Everybody has a domain authority. Everybody starts out at 1. You work your way up to 100. The more authoritative the site, the more likely it is to rank for the keyword. So if you want more keywords to rank, the one thing you can do is to increase your domain authority. By improving the authority of your website, you increase your chances of your current content ranking higher. So that's the first thing you can do. And the next thing you can do is to really do your keyword research and look for opportunities for keywords that maybe you haven't researched yet. This is where you get into things like Google suggested search. You get into maybe using other tools like Answer the Public or Quora to see what type of questions people are asking. Google suggested search is probably the easiest one because as you start typing a question, Google is going to autofill what people are asking. If you see something that is relevant to your business, then it's a great opportunity for you to add that content to your website. You already know there is an audience looking for this information. If you've taken my simple SEO course and you know how to determine whether or not you'll rank for that keyword and how to do the full keyword research process, then you'll know if that is truly an opportunity that you can rank for, which will again get more keywords ranking, which means more traffic coming to your website. The last thing you can do is to partner with other websites. So doing things like guest blog posts. If you're not quite sure what guest blog posts are or how they work, I have an old video on it that you can watch right here that'll give you some insight into how you determine if a guest blog post is worth it to your business and how they can help you grow your business. So first thing, build your own website's domain authority. Second, look for opportunities using things like keyword suggested search, Answer the Public, and Quora to see what questions people are asking that are relevant to your business. Third, create a strategy that combines both of those and some guest blogging, which will help build your domain authority as well. So you really want to make sure that you are being very strategic in your SEO efforts. If you're just creating what sounds good to you or what sounds fun, you're not going to have the same results and you're not going to see as many keywords rank as if you spend the time in the beginning to do the keyword research, to do the strategy, to determine what you're trying to go after. By doing a little bit of extra work in the beginning, you will see bigger rewards for your efforts. Make sure as you're doing this and you're creating new blog posts or new website pages, you are fully optimizing each of those pages. So as you find your keyword, you'll want to determine where you're going to use it on your website, and then you'll want to grab a copy of the SEO checklist. If you don't have it yet, get that download link in the comments. Make sure you use that, and that'll help you to ensure you remember to add it to your title tag, your meta description, your copy, your header tags, your image file names, all the different places that you want to make sure you have it, as well as trying to link it internally on your website where it makes sense. Do all of that and it'll make a difference for you. If you have questions, you know the drill. Leave me a question in the comments. I will respond back. If you found this helpful, please give me a like. We all could use a little bit of love here on YouTube so that the algorithm loves us. The same as there's an algorithm on Google, there's an algorithm on YouTube. So if you could give me a little thumbs up, even better, subscribe so that you are notified every week when a new video comes in. And I will see you here next time. Thanks, guys.